In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your page using the simple addition of a text block and some formatting tweaks to make your content more engaging. By the end of this video, you'll have a visually appealing and professional looking page. Let's dive in. First up, we'll start by editing your page. Simply navigate to the section where you want to add or modify text. You may need to be in an administrator or editor mode for this part. Once you're there, locate the option to Edit Page, which should present various tools and options for content management. Click on the Edit Page button or icon, which is usually located on a toolbar at the top or side of your web page interface. Now that your page is in edit mode, look for the option to add a new text block. This is a crucial step in organizing your content into manageable sections, improving both readability and the overall aesthetic of your page. Click Add Text Block, and a blank space will appear where you can start typing or pasting your content. Text blocks often include basic options for formatting text, as well as the ability to incorporate visual elements like images and links, should you wish to add them later. With your text block in place, let's make sure your text stands out by adding some formatting. Highlight the portion of text you want to modify. As you do this, a toolbar should appear with various formatting options: bold, italic, underline, font size adjustments, and more. But for our purpose today, look for the button marked with a pair of angle brackets or the symbol, which represents the code or HTML editor function. By clicking this button, you'll open up a whole new world of customization. On your highlighted text, wrap it in tags to apply different font styles. For example, if you want to make the word hello appear in the Georgia font and world in Arial, wrap these words like so, hello, and world. This simple piece of code tells the browser exactly which font styles to apply to specified text, allowing for distinctive emphasis or branding consistency. Wrapping up, always remember to preview your changes. This step ensures that everything looks as intended and behaves properly across different devices. Once satisfied, don't forget to save or publish your changes so that they're live for everyone to see. Following these steps, you're well on your way to creating content that's not only informative, but also a pleasure to look at. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With these simple techniques, your page will have that added touch of professionalism and flair. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.